Have you ever seen someone who has succeeded overnight? Maybe someone will say, yes, I know such a man. But frankly, success doesn't come overnight. It has to be achieved step by step. Today, I will tell you a story. The story of a young man who wanted to be successful but didn't know where to start from. From an early age, Rakib dreamed of being a successful entrepreneur. But the people around said, you have no capital, no experience. You can't. At first, Rakib also thought they might be right. But one day he read a book, The Story of a Successful Man. There it was written, to achieve something big, you have to take small steps. That day he decided to start a small business. At first he just started looking for ideas. Every day he used to spend 2 hours to learn something new. A month later, he decided to start an online business. But the problem is one, he had no money to invest. Then he started doing small work, freelancing, selling small services online, and slowly depositing money. 3 months later, some money was deposited in Rakib. He created a small business website. In the first month, he got only 2 orders. After a while, when he learned to do the right marketing, his business began to grow. Slowly, 2 order, from 2 order a month, then 20 order. She was successful. But this success is not a night story. It was 6 months of hard work, learning every day, learning from mistakes, and without ever harassment. All of this is the result. Today, Rakib is a successful entrepreneur. He has its own company. Many people work there. But he knows that his success did not come in one day. It was created step by step. If you also want to be successful, remember, take the first step. Don't be afraid. Learn a little bit daily. There will be nothing bigger in one day. Be patient. Failure will come, but make it a means of learning. The ladder of success can never rise in one step. Once up, it is more likely to fall. So step by step, proceed patiently. One day you will reach your goal.